ingredients are sugar,
flour,
oil,
this,
coffee,
this is vinegar, this is
Vinegar.
cocoa powder, and then we have vanilla essence, and what is this? Egg.
and we have some sprinkles for decoration.
Yes, we have the sprinkles and jelly beans for decoration. So first we
Let's
will take the oil.
Oil.
Yeah, so here we have it, 1/3 cup.
Here I go. 1/3 cup of
Okay,
oil.
let me pour it in here and then I'll get into it.
Thank you.
Be careful.
Nope.
Okay, there we go. Next we put the egg. The egg is very dangerous because the shell. That's the egg. There we go.
See, you said shells will come inside.
Okay, there. Next we will be putting the vinegar. The vinegar, we need 1 tablespoon.
Will I do it?
1 tablespoon. Yes, you will do that.
Yeah, I don't know where it is kind of table.
Okay, it's really sticky, so there we go.
Oh.
There we go.
How does it
Okay, there we go.
stir?
So for boiling the coffee, water, then we have to ask an adult or elder person to help us with it. And for the coffee, we have to put 2 teaspoons. While that is boiling, we put the vanilla extract in. We put 2 teaspoons. 1.
For me.
Here you go. Your turn, Anu.
As a
Next.
taste. I put.
And now, while we're waiting for that to boil, we put this bowl to the side. And take the bigger bowl for the dry ingredients. Okay, first Anu will put this flour. Be careful. Be careful, Anu.
Oh.
Okay. Then we have the 1/2 cup. For flour, you have to add one cup and then 1/2 cup. Next is cocoa powder. Okay. For the cocoa powder, we will be needing 1/3 cup.
Flour. What is it? What is
Now we
it?
put that in. Next, R will be putting the sugar.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Next, we'll mix it. First, I'll mix it a little bit, then I will start mixing.
Guys, we will mix up.
You should
It
first.
looks like brown.
Yes.
It looks like brown snow.
Yes. So first, you have to ask someone who first mix it. So all the sugar clumps and cocoa clumps will.
It
Cocoa
looks like
powder
a
clumps
cupcakes.
and all the cocoa
castle.
powder powder clumps will dissolve into the mixture. There we go.
Can I do it?
So here you go now. When it's thoroughly mixed, then now if you want to do it, you can do it. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons.
It smells like chocolate.
Now we have to put our salt. We need half teaspoon. So I'll put it in. There you go. Okay, there you go. Next, when the coffee, then we just mix that a little bit. There you go. And put that to the side. Then bring back our wet mixture when the coffee is done. Now that the coffee is done, we will dump it into here. And remember to put in the coffee when the water is fully boiled, but then put the coffee when the water is colder. excited.
And it's bubbly and doubly.
Okay, and you just have to whisk it a lot like that, really fast, and then when it's done, it will have to look like this. Next, we will be bringing the flour mixture to the side, and we pour this in. Ooh, it looks nice. And then it's all in.
Now I start.
Wait, Aru, wait. Yes. And now we both will start stirring. 1 minute. Okay, next we're going to be using a beater so we can mix it easier. And if you're younger than like 9 or 7, like those ages, then you shouldn't be allowed to use the beaker by yourself or the whisker by yourself or the hand mixer by yourself. So you should always use help.
Like Mama here.
Yeah. Okay, mix it a little bit more until it's nice
And fluffy.
When you're done with the batter, then you just have to take it and take the mixer and then oil the cupcake areas. Yeah, the batter is really, really yummy looking.
Yeah, it looks like chocolate today.
Because we're making chocolate cupcakes out of it. If you want, you can, for a surprise, you can put inside some sprinkles. Let me put a little pinch. Aru, do you want a pinch? You can put some. Okay. Oh, a little bit, Aru, a little bit, not so much. Once I get, yeah, sprinkle it about. You put a little bit more.
I put some more too. Not all of them neat. But not all for my birthday. For all of my sprinkles on.
Okay, next you have to mix them in.
And mix it.
to help you to take them out of the thing.
It's super hot and you need, if you get burns, you will get a hurt and if you don't